let's see me opening the box. Oops. Here we go, y'all. Okay. So happy Monday. Happy hot Monday. It's a very hot Monday. It is approximately 100 degrees here in Florida. It's probably more than that. It is really hot. It is nice and hot. So we make sure we stay hydrated. Not dehydrated. Hydrated, y'all. Hydrated. Let's see what we got. Y'all had to give me another one. And another one. Y'all had to give me another one. Okay. This is... I got one this time with the lights. Okay. So let's see how it look, y'all. I can bring this down now. There we go. Y'all see me good? Okay, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, I had to get another Selfie. It's a Selfie tripod. And has... I'm so excited. It has the lights on the side. It has the light on the side, so I don't have to worry about lighting. Okay, y'all, I was going to get it in pink, but they had this white one on sale, so I got it in white. Y'all, I like this. I'm liking it already. I'm liking it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here, this is where you open and put your phone. Okay, right there. We'll see. Okay, so it opens real good right there. Okay, and this is, okay, this is the selfie button. This selfie button. Now let's see how long this baby, how long does it? Okay, now you could take it out. Okay, sometimes I leave the selfie button in, but look, it comes out. Okay, for easy use. Okay, now let's see how long does this, okay, y'all, look, it's good. Okay, it's a very good link. It's a good link. Very good link. It's very good link. I like this. I like this. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Let's see where's the lighting at, because it's supposed to be a lighting. Yo, that's Coco making all that noise. Okay, let's push this down some. Okay, then we'll open it. Do y'all love Amazon as much as myself? Because I do. Okay, let's go all the way up. Well, this is supposed to go. Okay. Okay. Let me see if I can find the. Okay. How does this? Okay. This. Okay, that comes out. Now, where is this? Has to turn. Ow! I almost broke my nail, y'all. It turns. Okay, there we go. Now, okay, here it adjusts. Okay, very adjustable. Okay, great. Okay, so then your phone sits in here. Okay. Now, Okay, is anything else in here? Okay, I think the lighting is in here. Okay, here's the lighting, y'all. Here it is. Here's the lighting. This is the lighting. Okay, we're going to put this together. We're going to assemble this. Okay, there's still else in here. Okay, that's it. Okay, because it's going to look like the picture. So let's see, you all. Okay, y'all, so this is the light control right here. It has 3 settings, okay? You don't see the setting. There they go. Y'all see there? There are the settings. One of them. 2, 3. There we go. Oh, goodness. Okay, so let's see. Does this go in like that? I think this go in like that. Okay, y'all, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it, y'all. I got it. I got it. Okay, so then the cell phone is going to sit right here. Okay, and then I just hit. Okay, now you saw it. Y'all see the light? See? Cool. I like that. Y'all see the lights? Okay. Yeah, I love it. Okay, cool. I love it. I really love this, okay? And so, of course, it comes with a charger. With charger cord here. Okay, so I am excited because I really needed another tripod, because the one I got is like this piece broke off, and so it's not, it moves around. Okay, so I had to get a new one, and I really like this one. This is so neat because it has the lights on the side. I really love it. I really love it. Okay, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in, and plus it has the clicker. I call it the clicker. No, this is Selfie, but I call it the clicker because all you have to do is click. Okay, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in to my Amazon unboxing video. Stay tuned for the next Amazon